In your kit, you'll find a punch needle and a wire threader. This is the eye of the needle. The punch needle has 4 settings. A, B, C, and D. You can adjust these depending on how tall you want your loops to be. For picture frames, or if you're a beginner, we recommend using setting C. Now take the wire threader and insert it through the top eye of the needle, letting it slide all the way through the barrel until the loop end comes out at the top. Next, insert the end of your yarn through the loop of the threader and gently pull the threader back through the needle. The yarn will come out through the eye. Adjust the yarn length by pulling slightly from the top. Leave around 1 to 2 inches of your yarn coming out from the needle's eye. Before you begin, make sure your yarn is free flowing and not caught under the hoop, your elbow, or any objects around.